Why is it important to do Pap-Smear? Well, there are so many cancers that can happen to a person. Of all the cancers that can happen to a woman, there is only one cancer which can be picked up 3 to 5 years before the woman is going to get the cancer. Pap-Smear is one of those wonderful tests which will tell the doctor that this person is going to get a cancer in the next 3 to 5 years, and the chances are less or more. So this test has a guarantee period of minimum 3 years, and there is no other such test which will actually predict a cancer so many years ahead. So Pap-Smear as a single entity can prevent all the cervical cancers that are happening in the world.